Have you ever felt embarrassed by your breath or avoided smiling because of your teeth? I've been there, trying every toothpaste and mouthwash I could find with no lasting results, until I discovered ProDentim. ProDentim isn't just another dental product. It's a revolutionary chewable tablet that restores balance to your mouth's microbiome. Packed with 3.5 billion probiotics and natural ingredients, it goes beyond the surface to target the root cause of oral health problems. Using ProDentim is simple. After brushing your teeth in the morning, just chew one tablet. It's fast, effective, and fits easily into your daily routine. What makes ProDentim stand out? Its ingredients are scientifically proven. Lactobacillus Paracasei supports gum health and clears sinuses. B.lactis BL-04 balances bacteria in your mouth and boosts immunity. Inulin feeds the good bacteria, helping them thrive. Malic acid naturally whitens teeth, while peppermint keeps your breath fresh all day. Within weeks of using ProDentim, I noticed healthier gums, brighter teeth, and fresher breath. For the first time in years, I felt confident smiling. Thousands of others have had similar results. Emily from New York says, ProDentim changed my life. My teeth are whiter, my gums are healthier, and my breath stays fresh all day. If you're ready to take control of your oral health, click the link in the description below to try ProDentim today. Don't wait. Your best smile is just one chew away.